So here's how we make the most delicious roasted aubergine with pomegranate glaze. And so I've got some cumin seeds, maple syrup, pomegranate molasses and some olive oil and my aubergine. Firstly, cut the aubergine in half lengthways. So we're going to place that face up like this in the baking tray, and then for our glaze we're going to do pomegranate molasses, so about 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, about a tablespoon of maple syrup in there, and about a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Drizzle over some extra virgin olive oil and then give everything a good mix. So you can place the aubergine now into the oven to let that cook, and then during this time we're going to make our couscous. So this is a salad that you can have alongside your aubergine. So all I have is I've got some couscous in a bowl and I'm going to top it with some boiling water. Put a lid on the couscous and let that steam. So while that's doing, then next we're going to make the dressing for the salad. We've got some olive oil, and in there we're going to have some lemon juice, some salt in there as well. Grate in your courgettes into that dressing. I want those lovely thin slices of courgette that will soak up that dressing. So I've decided to add some cherry tomatoes to this salad as well, so just chop those cherry tomatoes up and mix everything really well with the courgette and the lemon dressing. Then tip in that cooked couscous in there as well. Give it all a good mix and dress that with some chopped mint and some more pepper and salt maybe. So our aubergine has been half done. We take it out of the oven, we turn it over, and then we're going to glaze it with that lovely pomegranate syrupy sauce that we made. So just put it all over the aubergine and make sure all the corners of it is glazed. Once that's done, pop it back in the oven to cook for about 20 minutes or so, or until tender. This is a lovely healthy way of cooking aubergine. You can roast it, you don't need to fry it. It still tastes super delicious and it's really good for you. To finish, I'm going to make a quick tahini sauce. So I've got some runny tahini that I bought from the shop. Mix it with a little bit of lemon juice, some olive oil and a little bit of water to loosen it up. Give it a little whisk together and then pour it over your aubergine. This dish is great as a vegetarian recipe, or you can have it with a bit of grilled chicken on the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more.